In this video, I'll show you where to find promo codes for Ticketek. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Google. Now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Ticketek promo codes. Then I'm going to hit search. And now from here, if I scroll down, we can see third-party sites offering promo codes. So we've got Frugal Feeds, 100% working Ticketek, discount code and voucher, Coupon Birds, keep scrolling down. Got Worth the Penny, etc. So one I like to use here is Worth the Penny, 50% off discount and codes. So the one thing I like about this site, you can see the stats of the code. So you can see it's verified as well, and it's got a 93% success rate with today's best offer, with over 106 people using this. So if you want to activate this offer, click into it, and now click to copy code and start saving. Copy this code and paste this at the checkout section of Ticketek to enjoy your 25% savings. These codes do eventually expire as well, and they do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check out the sites at future times to get even better deals. And I'm going to leave a link in the description too of this video. If I find any direct savings, I'll drop them down below